Running a business is tough. Every dollar counts. As a small business owner, I quickly realized that managing expenses is crucial for survival. Every month, I found myself scrutinizing my financial statements, trying to figure out where my money was going. It was a constant battle to keep costs down while still investing in the tools and resources needed to grow my business. I used to waste money every month. It was frustrating. I felt like I was throwing money away on tools that didn't even integrate well with each other. The inefficiency was maddening and it felt like I was always behind, never able to catch up. I was paying for 7 different tools. Each one promised to solve a specific problem, but together, they created a tangled web of subscriptions and logins. It was overwhelming and exhausting to manage. CRM, email marketing, landing pages, you name it. I had a tool for everything, but none of them worked seamlessly together. It was a nightmare trying to juggle all these platforms and keep my business running smoothly. Sound familiar? Then listen up. I found a solution. It's called GoHighLevel. This platform changed everything for me. It was like a breath of fresh air, cutting through the chaos and bringing order to my business operations. This one platform replaced all those other tools. It combined everything I needed into a single, easy-to-use interface. No more switching between different apps and trying to remember multiple passwords. I'm saving over $1,200 every month now. That's huge. The financial relief is incredible, and it's allowed me to reinvest that money back into my business, helping it grow even more. Want to know the best part? It's not just about saving money. GoHighLevel is way more than just a cost cutter. It's a game changer. It offers powerful features that help streamline my business processes and improve efficiency. It's a powerful, all-in-one platform. From marketing automation to customer relationship management, it handles everything seamlessly. It's helped me streamline my business and get better results. My productivity has soared, and my stress levels have plummeted. In this essay, I'm going to break it all down for you. I'll show you exactly how GoHighLevel can transform your business just like it did mine. Let's face it, juggling multiple tools is a nightmare. It's expensive, it's time-consuming, it's also confusing. You've got data scattered everywhere. Trying to get a clear picture of your business becomes impossible. And don't get me started on integrations. Getting different tools to talk to each other is a headache. It's like trying to fit square pegs into round holes. It just doesn't work. All this chaos leads to wasted time, wasted money, wasted opportunities. You deserve better. Your business deserves better. Enter GoHighLevel. This platform is a breath of fresh air. Imagine having all the tools you need to run your business efficiently, all in one place. No more juggling between different software and platforms. It combines everything you need in one place. From customer relationship management to marketing automation, GoHighLevel has got you covered. We're talking CRM, email marketing, SMS marketing, funnel building, website building, and so much more. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for your business. Imagine this, you log into one dashboard. Everything you need is right there, at your fingertips. You see all your customer data, marketing campaigns, and sales funnels at a glance. No more hunting for information across different platforms. You can send emails, texts, and even make calls right from the platform. It's seamless and incredibly efficient. No more switching between different tools, no more integration nightmares. GoHighLevel is incredibly user-friendly. It's designed to make your life easier. Even if you're not a tech whiz, you can easily navigate the platform and start seeing results. The intuitive design ensures that anyone can use it effectively. But don't let the simplicity fool you. This platform is robust and capable of handling complex tasks. GoHighLevel is packed with powerful features. It's the all-in-one solution your business needs to thrive in today's competitive market. Section 4, Real-World Results. How GoHighLevel transformed my business and can transform yours too. In today's fast-paced business environment, having the right tools can make all the difference. GoHighLevel has been that game changer for me. Let me give you some real-world examples. These are not just theoretical benefits, they are practical, tangible improvements that have significantly boosted my business operations. One of my favorite features is the two-way SMS automation. Imagine being able to engage with your leads and customers instantly, without lifting a finger. Now I can automatically send personalized text messages to my leads and customers. This feature alone has increased my engagement rates dramatically. The best part, I can have two-way conversations right within the platform. This means no more juggling between different apps or devices. This has been a game changer for building relationships and closing deals. The ability to communicate seamlessly has made my business more efficient and effective. Another feature I love is the done-for-you funnel templates. These templates are designed to guide your customers through every stage of their journey. GoHighLevel has tons of pre-built funnels for every stage of the customer journey. Whether you're looking to generate leads, nurture them, or close sales, there's a template for you. These templates are proven to convert. They are based on best practices and have been tested for effectiveness. They've saved me countless hours of work. Instead of starting from scratch, I can use these templates to get up and running quickly, and they're incredibly easy to customize. You can tweak them to fit your specific needs, making them versatile and user-friendly. Section 5, your turn to go high-level exclusive offer inside. So what are you waiting for? It's time to ditch the software jungle. Join me and thousands of other entrepreneurs who are using GoHighLevel to scale their businesses. For a limited time, I've partnered with GoHighLevel to offer you an exclusive deal. You'll get an extended free trial and access to exclusive bonuses. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your business. Click the link below to claim your free trial and exclusive bonuses. This is your chance to simplify your marketing, save money, and get better results. Go high level today.